Le polokite komiti la Asioman kabolasho koto mairabet Honorable Twesige John Ntamuhira ngesobu sigwo wasoda isukonyiki na area munne komiti akalo na ameni Eminista le Aitacaun na Apiyai ko Uganda Honorable Matia Kasaija nepeke de grigran lopetile rionget la Apiyai ko Uganda aimena jaun to mairia munne komiti na betor kesabongono kina ngiseta ni kamara kere ponela tubutubere kapun luigwaini kino to morionget la Asioman Honorable Twesige ngesobu itutu baitogo na area munna akalo na member lo erabet lo ajasi to mairia mun adelorebe mama pedorete ainyiko kinainer arema Eminista lebe itabongono kina Akiro ni kamara kere atubutubo na ikapun luigwaini kino to morionget la Asioman ibore baka da bonbinyaki adoketa na Asioman kwa Uganda.
Those of us that subscribe to the NRM party know very well that we campaigned under the slogan of securing the future. The future is nothing without education. Chair, I want to add a voice of emphasis on my colleagues and say that there is nothing we can discuss without the Ministry of Finance. And Chair, I want to seek your indulgence that having the name you have created in Parliament, take a decision, give us a ruling. We are not having any discussion without the Ministry of Finance.
Mr. Chairman, you have a deputy. You have a clerk. Let these two people go and help us. Call the Minister of Finance to come as we proceed. Exactly. But we cannot say that we are not having a meeting, yet we are interfacing with Minister of Education with their policy statement. Whoever has a policy statement of Minister of Finance and they are the ones supposed to be here should tell us.
A full committee of education cannot invite you and you don't even give an excuse in writing. But why to give an excuse in writing? Even if the ministers in finance are implicated in issues of iron sheets of Karamojong area, we know they are under hiding, Mr. Chairman, that is what we hear. And some of them are sleeping in the toilets of Parliament. But they are supposed to come here because this is a very important matter, Mr. Chairman. Kasaija, the one the iron sheets just flew to the compound. And the Minister Musasizi, whom the iron sheets moved like snails to his constituency, are supposed to be here and answer questions why they cut the budget to the Ministry of Education. Moreover, education is the foundation of every country.
Ejangunda, Honorable Geoffrey Macho, legwe kitunga lo Busia Municipality koto mairabet, ngeso builip, Eminista Kasaija, adumuna pak ne bunia to mairabeto sode iriamun, kedi memban lo airabet, koto mapak kane supana, anwa jokis na itunga luko Uganda. Honorable Twesige ngesobo tema bonbe komiti ngeseja munobe edumunete Minister le Aitacaun na Apiyai atupuruchikana moi aremene ngesaja onto mairiamun epoteke sayangara Akiro utomado ketaita che itosomaite kwa nikisila loairabet.
To give us evidence, I'm not aware as the chair of this committee that these ministers are hiding and hiding in the toilets. I think some of the statements Honorable Macho, could you be having evidence that the ministers are hiding in the toilets?
Yeah, Chair, we can go with you for toilet patrol. You'll get some of them.
Koto mairia mun na Lolo, ajasi minister ni uni kerele ya itosa Akiro na Asioman ko Uganda, Muratos, Honorable John Chrysostom Mwingo, Eminista le ya Akiro na Asioman no Kuju, also the Honorable Joyce Morichu Kaduchu, nera minister na ya Akiro na Asioman no primary, kede Honorable Peter Gwang, lere minister le ya Akiro na Asioman ko Uganda. Kanuka TV East, Noah Muya, koto mairabet no Uganda.